Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film a little testing some viral TikTok photo hacks. There's actually a bunch of photo hacks on there and I love watching the videos of them, so I thought I may as well just put them to the test and test some of them out. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you did subscribe. I post on a Wednesday and a Sunday at the moment. But yeah, let's just get into this video because I'm very excited about the way that these photos turned out. So let's get on to photo one. So for photo number one, I had to clear some furniture away because I wanted the flowers as the background, and I just set my mirror up and took some pictures. I also took some on my film camera and Archie also jumped in, which was cute. Just finished number one with the like mirror thing here. It turned out so well. I'll let you see what it this is what it kind of looked like. It was really nice. I feel like I should be doing this more often. Most of these flowers are out and Archie joined me, but he's like chasing flies. So I'm gonna go get the next thing and we can do the next one outside as well. Okay, so for the next one you need a CD. And you basically like, I can't remember, I've done this one before. You need to like shine it up to the light or something and then it like reflects like a rainbow on your face, but I don't know if it's sunny enough to do it. So I might go and do another one first and see if we can do this one later.
2 hours later.
Gonna go back outside and try the CD one again because I feel like the lighting's a bit better. The sun's up a bit more, so I might, oh yeah, that's gonna work so much better now. Oh, I'm excited. I did this one years ago and it was so good, so we're gonna attempt again. Oh, sorry, the lighting's really bad out here, but perks of filming outside, isn't it? For this one you just hold the CD up against the light and it reflects a rainbow on your face, but mine didn't turn out well this time, but I've done it before and it was really good. That one was shortly lived since the sun decided to go away. I feel I might have got one. Oh, squeaky chair. I feel like I might have got at least one picture. I mean, I kind of got one, it's not the nicest of pictures, but I kind of got one that's like, can show that the effect worked. Okay, so the one that I actually wanted to do just now, I can't do because I can't get the projector working. So I'm gonna do a different one instead that I seen. And it's basically like you put your phone on a timer cam and then you like put it on the ground and then you jump when the timer goes off. I don't know, it looked pretty cool, so we're gonna try that because it's quite cloudy today. I feel like that might be quite good, so we're gonna give that a bash. This one was the funniest to film, but it turned out so bad. I just set my phone on a timer cam and then jumped when the timer went off, but Archie kept rolling about and stuff. Okay, can't say that one worked very well, but I'll have to try her. If anything, I'm just out of breath now. Lighting will be really bad right now because I'm upstairs. I've got this black and white backdrop thing. I'm going to try a few different ones. I need to go and grab the tripod for my phone and I'm just going to set my phone on a timer cam and see how it goes with these ones. With these ones, the first backgrounds I didn't really like, so I found a circle one and I ended up using that, and I just set my phone on a timer cam and took the pictures. Excuse the sunglasses, but it looked really cool in the end. These were my favourites. Oh my gosh guys, those photos, I'm actually mind blown by them. They are, like, if I don't say so myself, they turned out so nice. Like, they look so professional. Next hack I want to try, I'm going to try it with the bit downstairs, like the projector, is the cling film and Vaseline. It's meant to like make your photos look very like retro and vintage, so we're going to try that. Take your cling film and then you wrap it around the camera on your phone, and then it says just to put a little bit of Vaseline on it. I'm never sure what camera actually takes the pictures on. I'm really enjoying filming this video, by the way. I feel like I might actually do a part 2 of it because the photos I took, I really enjoyed the outcome of them. Tried to shoot this one downstairs but it didn't really work, so I came upstairs to a lighter area to do it, and I just set the camera up on the tripod and again just took some pictures. So here's me just messing about with posing away. These kind of turned out quite funny looking, as you'll see in the end. They were quite blurry, but at least I tried it. A while later, I've kind of went through all the photos, had a wee look to see what ones I like the best and stuff, so I'm going to go through them, so I'll put them on screen as I'm looking at them. Actually, you know what we'll do, we'll screen record and I'll put the screen recording in for you guys. So the first photo shoot that I did was the one outside with the mirror. So these are the pictures. I mean, this one really posy, but I feel like my legs look really long in this one somehow. I basically just wanted to take this because of the flowers in the background. They're not really out for that long. So then Archie jumped in, and this is where, like, I just love these photos because Archie's in them and I just feel like they're really cute. So we have Archie here just like doing his thing. I think he was actually chasing a bee at this point and I just took the photo. And then we've got Archie again, but this one's funny because he looks like he's doing the same pose as me. And then we've got this one of my little socks that Abby got me, thanks Abby. And then I've got this one here as well. I also took a bunch on my film camera, so I'll send them away and get them all developed and stuff. Then we go on to the jumping photos. So we've got these ones here were the best out of a bad bunch. So we've got this one here, which I mean, it's kind of cool. It's quite dark. I feel like I could play about with the brightness and stuff on them. I've not edited any of these, by the way. And then we've got the next one, which again, kind of a fail, but I did this later on with Harris. And we got this one, which I thought was quite funny. This one where we tried it with like star jumps, and then just this one of us laughing because it basically takes it as a burst, so you've got like 10 different photos that you can look through. Then here's the ones with the CD. I've done these before, but this one just didn't seem to turn out so well today, and I don't know if it was because the light wasn't bright enough. I feel like I'll need to try this one again, but you can kind of see here a little bit of the CD. Again, in this one you can see a little bit of the CD, but the sun was really in my eyes when I was filming this, doing these photos, so it wasn't the best, and I don't really like the reflections on my face here. So next we've got the ones in the cinema room. These ones are my absolute favourite. Like, I love the way that these turned out. So I firstly basically just went onto YouTube and typed up like black and white backgrounds. Oops. So here is the first one. I don't really like this background, to be honest. It didn't really work so well, but it was the best that I could find at first, and then I went on and looked up black background with white circle, and I found one, and the circle basically like spun round. So this is where it gets good. So here is the first one. I don't know how, but this looks really retro, like it looks really grainy. Oh, I love these photos so much. Like, I'd never ever find a pure nice picture of myself, and I love these. Like, they turned out so well. So then we've got this one. I took these ones in portrait mode, so here's that one of me smiling. And then we've got this one here, which I ended up putting in black and white, and it looked so good. It looked so good, and I'm like, can I put these on Instagram? Can I get away with putting these on my Instagram? Are they too posy? So then there's another one that I put in black and white again, and then this is when I tried the Vaseline over the camera. So this one didn't turn out so good. I don't know what happened to it. I feel like I might have put too much Vaseline on it, but to be honest, this hack didn't really work so well. I feel like, again, we'll need to try that one. And then here's another one, we hand on hip action there. The reason I've got sunglasses on is because I seen a girl on TikTok wearing sunglasses and it looked really cool, so I thought I'm gonna wear sunglasses too, and I feel like I really like the way it turned out. And then here's one of me just being stupid, carrying on. So then I went upstairs and tried the Vaseline hack one more time, and this is kind of what we ended up with. I'm posing really weird in this because I was kind of over it. I was sweating by this point, I was bored. But this is kind of the effect, so it just kind of softens everything up. And then I just took one normal to do a kind of comparison of the both of them. As you can see here, my hair is literally like flicking out. I've literally like sweated off all my makeup, and yeah, so that is all the photos that I ended up keeping from my little photo shoot. I was actually so buzzing about how those cinema ones turned out. They were so good, but I feel like I want to do a part 2 of this video because there's still quite a lot of different hacks that I want to try. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just something fun to film. I was a bit bored today, so something fun for me to film, and I really enjoyed filming it. I really like taking photos, so yeah, very happy with the way that that turned out, and I hope you guys are staying safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!